Most men arrive at one realization much later than they should, and when it finally becomes clear, the entire dynamic shifts. Calm, confident tone, slow pace. The uncertainty fades, the emotional haze clears, and what once held influence quietly loses its pull. Softened voice, slight pause at the end, 1 second. Have you ever asked yourself why you give your best, yet it still feels like it's never enough? Curious tone, gentle emphasis on never enough. Why increased effort seems to create more distance instead of closeness. Slightly slower, reflective. Why the harder you try to connect, the more space appears. Short pause before more space appears. Let it land. This isn't a flaw in your character. Firm, reassuring. It's because no one ever showed you how to see patterns. Measured, explanatory. Most men aren't lacking capability. Brief pause, 0.5 seconds. They're missing awareness. Lower voice, emphasis on awareness. They fail to notice the unseen frameworks guiding their relationships. Steady, analytical tone. And the moment those frameworks come into view, everything begins to change. Rising confidence, slight lift at the end, because clarity is not harshness. Slow, deliberate. Clarity is strength. Short pause before sentence. Assertive. And here is the first truth many men resist. Controlled build-up. Anticipatory. Love is not always unconditional. Drop voice slightly. Firm pause after mod 1 second. A lot of men grow up believing care means commitment no matter the situation. Empathetic, understanding. But real experience often tells another story. Lower tone, subtle gravity, pay attention. Clear, directive, brief pause after. Warmth increases when you're providing value. Neutral, observational. The tone shifts when you struggle. Short, clip delivery. Affection reappears when you regain momentum. Slight emphasis on reappears. That's not devotion. Firm, controlled. Is conditional connection presented as romance. Slower, analytical. Once a man recognises this pattern, he stops giving without discernment. Calm authority. He stops investing energy in promises and starts paying attention to actions. Measured, confident. He no longer measures connection by kind words on easy days, but by how he's treated on difficult ones. Slightly slower, reflective emphasis. This awareness doesn't make him resentful. Reassuring tone, it makes him centered. Short pause, 0.5 seconds. And centered men are powerful in the best sense of the word. Grounded, confident. Then comes a difficult realization. Lower volume slightly, anticipatory pause. Attention has value. Firm, clear, pause after, and most men give it away without thinking. Slow, deliberate constant messaging. Short pause after each phrase. Immediate replies. Ongoing reassurance. Compliments offered on autopilot. Men believe this creates closeness, but it often lowers their perceived value. Explanatory, calm. Anything that's always available loses impact. Slower. Emphasis on always. Attention given without purpose becomes easy to overlook. Steady, reflective, but attention offered with intention carries weight. Slight rise in confidence. When a man learns to pause instead of pursue, his silence communicates more than his explanations ever could. Slower pace, thoughtful. Distance creates contrast. Short pause. 0.5 seconds, and contrast sparks interest. Soft emphasis on interest, then there's emotional regulation. Reset tone, neutral, composed. One of the rarest abilities. Pause, 0.5 seconds, and one of the most misunderstood strengths. Lower voice slightly. Most men were never taught how to manage their emotional responses. Empathetic, explanatory. They react, short, firm. They seek immediate clarity. They over-explain. They lose composure under pressure. And every reaction hands influence to someone else. Controlled seriousness, pulling away, changes in mood, emotional pressure. These only work on men who are easy to predict, steady, assertive. But when a man learns to stay composed, those strategies lose their effect. Calm confidence. Silence no longer unsettles him. Slower, grounded. Emotional turbulence no longer pulls him off centre. Even, steady, calm is not indifference. Clear distinction, pause after calm, is control. Firm, grounded. It's the moment a man becomes difficult to read. Lower tone, deliberate, and men who are hard to read are taken seriously. Assertive, close. This is where the shift begins. Reset confident. Stop treating patterns as fate. Directive, calm authority. Start viewing them as information. Measured emphasis on information. When warmth fades, don't chase it. Slow, instructive. When the tone changes, don't spiral. When someone pulls back, don't rush to repair. Pause. Full pause. 1 second. Observe. Stay steady. That pause changes everything. Slight emphasis. Reflective. That pause is when